Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is 10th question of its exercise 2.4. So the question says that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present age. So let the age of Aman's son be, so इसे हम assume कर लेंगे x. So age of Aman is equal to, ये 3 टाइम है, so ये हो जाएगा 3x. Then according to the question, 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. So x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 10, then 5 times, so हो जाएगा 5. So 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 5x minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. So 3x को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 50 को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे. So minus 10 plus 50 is equal to 5x minus 3x. 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 by 2 is equal to 20. So Aman's age is equal to, so Aman की एज हमने एज्यूम करी थी 3x. So 3x is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. And Aman's son age is equal to x is equal to 20 years. Thank you.